how to make more money driving for Lyft in 2026. So for that, you'll need to open your Lyft application, and then from here what you're going to do is tap on your profile icon right here. So after doing that, scroll down, tap on settings, then from here tap on drive with Lyft. So after doing that, select your city, tap on this particular button right here, and after that here you'll need to agree to all of the terms and conditions of Lyft. So after doing that, what you're going to do is tap on get the iDriver app, and then it will lead us to the App Store or the Play Store where you'll be able to find the application. Simply install the application and open the app. So after opening the app here, you'll be able to sign up as a Lyft driver. So simply sign up, fill up all of the required documents, and if you are eligible, Lyft will hire you. So after being hired, in order to make more money as a driver, what you're going to do is first thing leverage the Lyft reward tied system, and second would be capitalize on specialty ride features, and third one would be implement strict efficiency rules, and lastly optimize expenses and tax wire-off. After following all of these tactics, I'm pretty sure that you will be able to make more money by driving for Lyft in 2026. And that's all.